Hello all, welcome to Market Visa. So today we will discuss about the option selling for beginners. So first of all, what we know about the option selling. So here the option selling is all about the probability. The probability of the reward. Okay. So in the case of option buying, it's all about the risk reward. So here, in case of option selling, the risk will be unlimited, and in case of option buying, the risk will be limited. Okay. But in the case of option buying, the reward will be unlimited, and the reward for the option selling will be limited. So here in the option selling, I am going to discuss about some of the strategies that can be used for as a beginner. So everyone knows about the different types of market trends. That is, one is the uptrend, then the other is the downtrend, and the other is the sideways or the range bound market. So here we will use different types of strategies for the different types of market trends. So suppose our vision of the market is in uptrend. So our vision is a strong bullish. If our vision is a strong bullish, then we will use a strategy called bull call spread. So suppose if our vision is not as much bullish, only mild bullish, or it can be a bullish with a sideways. So that time we can make a strategy of bull put spread. Okay. So here, now I will show you in the strategy builder how we will build a bull call spread. Okay. So shall we start? Okay. So I have started to share the screen. Okay, so here now I will go to the strategy builder or the Sensible. Then from here, this is the strategy builder. So here I will already I have taken one. This is the bull call spread. Okay. Here, so if you want, you can select this. This is a bull call spread. So if you select, so then here we can note that this is the spot price. What is the spot price? 19,731. That is the spot price here. And so in the bull call spread, we will buy the at the money call, and we will sell the slight OTM. Here in 19,750 is the at the money call, and the price is 106. When the premium is around 106, and for the at the money, for the OTM call, the price is around 31 rupees. Okay. So this is the buying leg, and this is the selling leg. So and here how much the price and this is the debit. The buy leg is the debit side, and the sell leg is the credit. So how much if you what is the difference is 106 minus 31.65 means we have what, how much price we have paid, that is 75 rupees we have paid. The 75 into lot size, that is 75 here, the lot size is one lot, that is in 50 quantity. 75 into 50, we will that is how much premium we have debited, that is around 3,753. That will be the maximum loss you can see here. That is a 3,753. That is the maximum loss. Okay. So then here, this is the profit. How we will calculate the profit for this one? This is 9750 minus 950. That is 950 minus 750 is 250. 250 and what is this 106 minus 31 equals 75. That is how much? Let me take the calculator. Let me see. Okay. Let me take the calculator. Right. Okay, here 950 minus 9, how much, what is the buying? 750, that is 200. 200 minus, so that is the difference of the premium, that is 200, that is 125. 125 into the lot size, that is the profit, that is around 6,250. That is the maximum profit. So if you want, if you don't want this, if you want it here, see the risk reward is 0.6 and the probability, here the probability of winning is 41%. So if you do the selling pricing, if I increase the price, increase the strike price, what will happen to this? See, if I increase the price, the maximum profit will be increased and the maximum loss will also be increased. Okay, so what is the probability? Probability is again going to 39, but that is very, very low. So if I decrease, that is if I decrease the strike price to see, now how much is the, now the maximum profit is 4,000 and the maximum loss is and the probability is increased to 43%. Now again I will increase to 19,850. That is the difference is only strike price. Difference is only around 100. So and how much we have paid? Only 46 rupees we have paid. That is 106 minus 60. So the profit and loss will be with this the risk, that is around 1:2. We can say that the risk reward will be around 1:1, and the probability of profit is around 46%. Like that we can do this one. See now again 97750. If I again 850 again if I decrease this, it is around. See there is this both the premiums are only some different. That is around 24 rupees different. So here see how much, what is the profit also goes less, only 6%, and the maximum loss also comes to very low. So here the probability of profit is 50%, and the probability increases. That is the 50% increases. So if I put this is 9750, then if I reduce the strike price to this 9700, the maximum loss, that is loss is, see here the here we cannot do like this because now only up to this 19800. Okay, so if you do this, we will go into the bull put spread. Okay, so this is the maximum profit, and this is the maximum loss. So this is the probability of profit for this. Now we will go to the another that is the bull put spread. See in the bull put spread, In the bull put spread, what we will do, we will sell at the ATM. We will sell in the ATM. That is the selling price will be more. In the other one, the buying price is the bull call spread. The buying price is more. When the bull the bull beer spread, here selling price is more, and we will we will sell in the ATM and we will buy in the OTM. So here is the maximum profit and the maximum loss is very high for this one. So what we will do, if you we'll check how much we will increase. If we increase this, the maximum loss is reducing. Here the probability of profit is 65%. Then if you increase one more, see this here also 62. Maximum loss is reduced to 3, and the maximum profit also reduced to 9%. If you increase one more, that is, see, the maximum profit is maximum loss is reduced, and the probability of the profit is reduced to 58%. So like that we can go for. Then another thing is we can buy a strangle. Like that we can buy a far OTM of a call option, and a far option of the call option, and one is a put option. So there will be a range. If the market is within the range, then you will get a profit in the weekly strategy. So these are the different strategies.